Good morning. My name is Angela Ramirez, and today I am going to tell you about Canada. It is the largest country in the world. Safety and security. Canada is an unsafe country with a fairly low crime rate. The areas with less security in Canada are reduced to urban areas. But in general, it is very safe. What are Canadians like? Canadians are peaceful and simple people with a friendly and quiet life. They are also respectful to the point that they shake hands when greeting each other and call each other by the last name if there is not so much trust, punctuality, and attention to detail are very important to them. Things you can get arrested for in Canada that you probably didn't know. Smelling vague. It is for being to realist Gillian balance. You can fit your car off the street. It is forbidden to drink in public places. It is forbidden to smoke in a public place.